Nice work.
I think it might be.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I think we probably have the best chance that we've had for 50 odd years.
I'm actually going to the game on Sunday. I'm just keeping my powder dry until Sunday.
I know nothing about football, but I'm going to Wembley after this because I'm just so caught up in all the furore. I'll text you and let you know if it's coming home or not.
Tough question. For a half German, half Swede living in England, I'm a little too diplomatic to answer that one.
Is it coming home? Now that is a question. I think my T-shirt would say that it is.
It's coming home. It's coming home. We didn't go to Spain, but it's coming to UK.
I believe it's coming home. I believe we can do it.
Not only coming home, it's going to keep coming home, and I think we've got another 4 years of it keep coming home.
I mean, my voice is like this because I was screaming till far too early this morning. Beat, horns, crazy, chaos, screech.
I'm Irish, so I don't think I'm allowed to say it's coming home. My dad might watch this.
Football's coming. No, it's not. Yes, probably. They're actually doing really well.
100%. It's coming home on Sunday.
Yes, I think football's coming home.
And it'll be Sterling that scores.
Well, I don't know about that.
Yes. Has anybody said no? There's an alarming amount of overconfidence around.
Fingers crossed.
Good on them.
We're bringing it home.
Definitely coming home.
It's coming home.